You guys, this is the most transformational makeover I think we've done, and it has nothing to do with the way it turned out, which you will see because we allowed the people to just choose what they want, the pink and the blues and the interesting colors. But the most amazing thing about this makeover is when we showed up, when we first met this guy on the street, he was unhappy, so sad. His kids were so sad. When we showed up to his house, his daughter wouldn't even come out. Everyone was hiding. And now, after we did the makeover, they were so happy, so friendly, and they did so much work on their own. So we're gonna show you the video and we hope you like it. Guys, I'm here with my new friend. I'm so excited, and he recycles for a living. Have you ever seen such amazing recycling?
This is where he lives with his 10 children. It's pretty insane.
Do you think that roof leaks? 10 children in here, guys. What's something little we can do to help him out?
Ya, hanya satu pertolongan kecil yang
His wife died.
She passed away when she was delivered the baby. The youngest one.
Terakhir, yang ke-11.
Oh, the 11th.
The 11th baby. She is so cute. So cute. I want to take her home. So see the rash? He goes to the river because he has no toilet and no shower, and now he's like so itchy, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, I'm so excited. Remember this house we showed you a while ago? Well, we gave them some supplies, and look at them. They're so awesome. They're cleaning up their house so we can paint the inside of it. So the first time we came, this is all so messy, and she is getting more and more pride in her house, so she's cleaned this all. Look how nice it looks. Look, they have to walk. We have to walk all the way through the village with the furniture. We're getting so excited. So we sent them back home, and we're gonna try to keep them occupied until we bring all the furniture. So exciting. This is the thing I found for $100, but we're not quite sure how it goes. Does anybody know how this goes? Okay guys, the time has come. We've come to the end. We're just going over to his house. I'm so excited. It literally feels like the day before Christmas. Okay guys, this is it. This is where they want to go. We got them a table, chairs, picnic, beds. New beds you can't see, but we bought them all new beds. We filled this up with food. So the whole thing is full of food, and a new stove thing, everything. And look, it's all the old stuff. I was just sitting here thinking how blessed we are that we have this opportunity to help people out in need, and it's all because of you guys. You shop at Showhome Furniture, you share Showhome Furniture, you endure all our crazy posts, and I appreciate it so much. It is literally a lifetime dream to help out people in need. So thank you so much.
Terima kasih, beribu-ribu terima kasih atas pembantuannya, Mister. Yeah.
Thousand of thank you for all your help, Mister.
Hey guys, we're back in Canada, and we just got a video showing the family painting, cleaning their house on the outside. We are so excited. So we just sent some more money so they can finish all the leaks inside their house. Remember their roof was like just huge leaks. So now they can do this. Guys, this has been so amazing. We appreciate you for watching, because like this family has totally changed. They were so unhappy before, and now they're like thriving, excited. They have food, they have a beautiful place to live, and it's just what Showhome is all about. Thank you so much. you, Showhome Furniture.